700,000 na tao ang nagpapakamatay worldwide bawat taon. Ikaw, okay ka ba? Based sa WHO data, suicide ang pang-apat na leading cause of death sa 15 to 29 years old globally. 73% nangyayari sa low-income countries tulad natin. Bakit ganun kadami? Kasi hindi lang depression ang dahilan ng suicide. May mga hidden factors na hindi nyo alam. Ako po si Neil Brian Galve at ito po ang Nurse Brain at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tatlong major causes ng suicidal thoughts. Una, untreated mental health conditions. Depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia. 90% ng suicide cases may underlying mental illness na hindi na-treat. Pero mas nakakatakot pa yung pangalawang cause. Impulsive decisions during crisis. Financial problems, relationship breakup, job loss. 50% ng suicide ay nangyayari within 10 minutes ng decision, hindi planned, impulsive lang. Pero yung pinaka-overlooked na factor, social isolation at lack of support. Feeling na walang makakaintindi, walang malapitan, yan ang trigger ng hopelessness na nagiging suicidal ideation. Remember, suicide is preventable. May mga hotlines, counselors, at support groups. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. Buhay niyo ay may halaga.